last week, more specifically last Friday, I launched a campaign that currently has more than 36 replies, and more than half of those are positive. I only sent out 900 or so emails. I still haven't finished all the contact. I haven't sent all the follow-ups, and currently I have booked more than 4 or 5 calls, I believe. I already took like 2. And today I want to share a new feature released by Salesforge that might help you do the same. You see, one of the most important things about sending cold emails is validating. If I didn't validate the emails that I'm reaching out to, I would have a much higher bounce rate, like in this example, right? And the higher the bounce rate, the worse your email deliverability gets, meaning you will not be able to reach as many people's primary mailbox. You'll go to their spam folder. So basically, we all know this simple validation, right? Where you go simply validate the emails to see which ones are safe, which ones are raw email addresses, which ones are catch all, spam traps, and all of that stuff. But the new feature by Salesforce is something that you see here. Now, this is not a great example, but let me share a screenshot with you. What you see here is all kind of mailboxes of your leads. So for example, you upload 10,000 contacts, it will show you what a number of leads have Gmail mailboxes, Outlook mailboxes, yes, Yahoo, Zoho, Proofpoint, whatever. It will basically show you what kind of mailboxes your prospects, your leads use. For example, this could be other providers, any SMTP like or infrastructure providers, maybe private infrastructure, you know. But why this is important is because Gmail and Outlook, if you have seen my other videos, are implementing changes every month to stop you from sending cold emails, from successfully sending cold emails. Meaning that if you're going to be reaching out to these mailboxes, you might fail. For example, Outlook, 1,000 prospects in Outlook. If your domain is not at least 1 year old, you're almost guaranteed to go to the spam folder. Meaning that if you reach out to 1,000 prospects that have Outlook mailboxes, you're going to go to spam, destroy your email deliverability, destroy your mailbox's reputation, destroy your domain reputation. If you're on private infrastructure, destroy your IP, and everything is going to crumble. All of your outreach efforts are going to crumble. That's why you can now use this feature to perhaps use sequences where you only use Gmail mailboxes to reach out and use that sequence to reach out to Gmail mailboxes. Same with Outlook, you know, kind of mimicking ESP matching, but just for singular sequences, right? And this way you can nitpick who to reach out to, who to pause on, and this way get a much higher response rate. For example, like I did here with 36 replies so far from like, I don't know, like even though it's just 9% done, right, with so many positive reply rates. And yeah, to use this feature, just go to Salesforge, create your sequence, and once you upload your contacts, you'll be able to see it in the validation tab, validate your emails, and you'll see all of this new information that you can use to basically keep your deliverability at the tippy top. Because I'm saying keep, because if you're using Salesforge, you probably do have astonishing deliverability like I do. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know and have a good one.